is organizing the pageant Mr., Miss and Mrs. on the 22nd of May. The event is going to be held at AZB Cottages in Anjuna, and the partners over here is headed by Mr. Abrar Naik, Sonu Kumar and Sandesh. So Abrar will be in a better position to explain to you as to what the event is going to be looking like.
First of all, thanks to each and everyone for coming over here. Myself, Abrar Naik, I'm the director of AB Production Goa. I have my team, Sonu Kumar, the manager, and Sandesh Singh, marketing head. So we are doing every year Mr. Miss and Miss Goa. Every year we do, but this year we added Mrs. Goa to get the talent for Mrs. Goa also. So we have a finale on 22nd in Arpora at AZB Cottage from 6 p.m. onwards. So there are total 4 rounds will be going to be held over there. First will be the introduction round, second will be the swimwear round, third will be the ethnic round, and fourth will be the western round. So our winner of Mr., Miss and Mrs. Goa, they are getting direct entry to Rubaru Mr. India, Miss India and Mrs. India as well. So for Mr. Goa, we total have 16 contestants. For Miss Goa, we have 10 contestants, and for Mrs. Goa, we have 6 contestants. And our chief guest will be coming as Shri Praveen Allekar sir. He is the parent. He won the election, and he's coming for. He is from parent constituency, and he is going to be as a chief guest for our show. And for the judges of the finale will be the Pankaj Kharebanda. He's a vice president of Rubaru Mr. India, and Sitesh. He's a Rubaru Mr. Global India, won the title for international, and Songashim, Rubaru Mr. India 2021. So I will hand over to Mr. Singh.
Firstly, I would like to thank each and everybody to be present here. And this time, we are taking Mr. and Miss Goa to little extent. We are extending the quality and of the event, where it will be more better from previously what we have done in 2019. We are going to conduct this event in AZB, which is at Arpora. There will be altogether 3 rounds for the event. First will be introduction, second will be swimwear, and third will be ethnic, and 4 will be western. And this is to provide a platform to our youth, and this year we have added a Mrs. category as well, where it's an opportunity to all the Mrs. who can come forward and showcase their talent. Thank you guys.
Mrs. category, basic idea was that they think they are aged and they cannot compete with the lower age youth. So we decided we groom them amongst them so that they get the confidence, so that they come up, they don't think about their age and their if they are married or not. So we have taken 4 grooming classes for them. So now our winners of Mr. Goa, Miss Goa and Mrs. Goa will be going to Rubaru and at national event. And if they win there, if they do better, then they will go for international shows also. Thank you.
Mr. Miss and Mrs. All 34 contestants are there.
How many Goans?
All Goans are there. All Goans. Yeah. Because this is a pageant for Goan people.
It's a state level.
So
So there are every 34 contestants belongs to Goa.
What is the price?
Prize money?
There's no prize money actually, but we are giving a platform for them to grow. So we are directly giving entry for Rubaru Mr. India, Miss India and Mrs. India as well.
There are entry fees.
For
Entry
the
fees.
contestants?
Yes.
Yes.
There are
जो
entry fees.
कंटेस्टेंट्स सिलेक्ट हुए हैं वो डायरेक्ट सिलेक्ट हुए हैं या उनको कुछ ऑडिशन?
नहीं, उनके लिए हम लोगों ने ऑडिशन रखे थे. बेसिकली एक पेंजी में रखा था, एक परवरी में रखा था, मारगांव, फोंडा एंड वास्को.
ओके. और ऑडिशंस के लिए कितने लोगों ने ये दिया था एंट्री?
ऑडिशंस के लिए ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन 150 पीपल्स वर थे. ओके, उसमें से हमको अच्छे वाले सिलेक्ट करने थे. तो हम लोगों ने उसमें से जो अच्छे वाले थे उनको सिलेक्ट करके उनको ग्रूमिंग क्लासेस हम लोगों ने 4 वीक
जो हमारे क्राइटेरिया मैच कर रहे थे हमने उनको सेलेक्ट किया था. हमने पेंजिम, पोरवरिम, वास्को, इवन इन मडगांव, पोंडा 5 जगह पे ऑडिशंस कंडक्ट किए थे. सो कुछ लोग बिकॉज ऑफ एग्ज़ाम दे बैकड आउट, बट जो भी हमारे पास कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं वो क्वालिटी कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं एंड वी नो कि अगर वो नेशनल लेवल के लिए जाएंगे सो दे विल डू बेटर.
सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया क्या था?
उनको लाइक बेसिक हाइट के क्राइटेरिया था 5 फीट अबव रहना चाहिए मिस में, एंड मिस्टर में 5'2", एंड we judge them on their communication skills, confidence and talent.
उसमें कोई
When was this selection happened?
It's almost 2 months before we did the selections, and after that we kept 4 grooming classes जिसमें हम लोग like
many professionals are there in this?
yes
So they will taking part?
Yes, I would like to take this. There are official designers who are coming all the way from Delhi, and to provide them better costumes where our contestants should look good and great on the stage. And there are official photographers who will put up the things properly after the show, post-production basically. We are going to, we are in collaboration with one of the very nicest person who is taking care of production part, where we have to set up the stage and all. He is also from Goa, Mr. Dias Decorators. So he will take care of the productions. And while grooming session, we had involved while 4 grooming sessions, there were professionals from Goa who trained them well while grooming session. Thank you.
Any models will be coming from you?
Models.
Yeah.
Yes. There will be actually 2 celebrity models are there who are from already qualified from Mr. India. They will be coming, and our Vice President from Rubaru Mr. India, he is going to be there at the venue.
Goan celebrities are not.
Goan celebrities are there. Goan celebrities.
I think Nikita Fernandez is coming.
Since when you are
from 2018 we are starting. We register our company, and and recently we had to been to Praveen Alekar sir, so we had told him to come for the show as a chief guest, so he will be there as a chief guest for our show.